The best high quality garden bed. This comes with a wall trellis actually screw on over there, and I'm going to show you whether a U shape or different pattern or different height. This is about 17-inch in height right there. It's eco-friendly. It's really rust-free metal, lasts for 20+ years. Check in the description box. I have a super discount code right here on Product Zone, so you guys do not have to pay the full price. Grow in raised bed garden is one of the best things you could do. It looks beautiful. It prevents a lot of weeds, a lot of bugs, and a lot of animals can come and eat your stuff out, especially if you have like rabbits or bunnies or stuff like that. And you could see how everything is growing and amazing. This is one of the best idea and you could use in your garden. It's amazing. It's beautiful. They come in many different type of color option of styles, and as I said, height. You get no back pain, no knee pain. I'm gonna add the trellises. Up to you. You could grow butternut squash running up, you could grow your cucumber plants running up, your beans or whatever you want to grow. Filling this up is easy. You add logs at the bottom, you could add some woods, you could add some compost, you add some soil, and everything grows just amazing, and it looks beautiful in your backyard, front yard, wherever you have a space. Don't forget to check in the description for get a super discount code. Don't pay full price, and don't forget to like and click in the red subscribe button for 100% free. More upcoming videos on Product Zone.